Have you ever thought about growing your own cut flowers? It's not only a delightful way to have fresh blooms at home, but also a savvy saving trick. Plus, there's nothing quite like the joy of seeing your own seeds flourish. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing these beautiful creations blooming in your own garden. The first step to growing your own cut flowers is choosing the right ones. Ponder on your local climate and pick varieties that thrive in it. Remember to choose flowers that bloom at different times for a constant supply. Sunflowers, zinnias, and dahlias are great to start with. Consider your local climate, soil type, and personal preferences when choosing your flowers. Once you've chosen your flowers, it's time to plant them. Start by preparing the soil, making sure it's loose and well drained. You then plant the seeds or seedlings, remembering to space them properly to allow room for growth. Ensure they're getting enough sunlight, as most flowers thrive with 6 to 8 hours of sun daily. Water them regularly, but be careful not to overwater. Above all, cultivate patience. Gardening is a waiting game. With proper care and attention, your flowers will be ready to bloom in no time. Now comes the best part, harvesting and arranging your flowers. For the longest vase life, cut your flowers early in the morning or late in the evening when they're most hydrated. Use sharp, clean tools to avoid damaging the stem. Now let's arrange. Choose a color scheme first, then vary the heights and textures of your blooms to add depth and interest. Don't be afraid to experiment and let your creativity shine. With these tips, you'll be able to create beautiful bouquets from your very own garden. Growing your own cut flowers can be a rewarding and enjoyable hobby. We've walked through the steps from choosing your blooms to planting and finally to harvesting and arranging. Imagine the joy of seeing your living room brightened by a bouquet you grew yourself, or the money saved on purchasing store-bought flowers. So why not give it a try? Embrace the beauty that nature has to offer right in your own backyard. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and start growing your own cut flowers today.